Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Helix. Today we're going to be talking about the forearm exercises, which is probably one of the most muscle groups that's always overlooked. Forearm exercises is super important because you may have the strength to do an extra rep of deadlifts or pull-ups, but sometimes you just don't have the grip. And with forearm exercises, that's going to help build that strength on that forearm. So we're going to get started with multiple forearm exercises that don't require any equipment. But before we get started, hit that like and subscribe button. So let's get started. The first one that we're gonna do is a palm extension. Palm extension is going to be you're gonna put your hands up against the wall and you're only gonna be lifting your palm off the wall. This is good for the wrist and the forearm. If you want to add more weight and more pressure to it, you can just lean your body more towards the wall, which will work out that forearm. I know that doesn't look like much, but trust me, you're gonna feel the burn on the forearm on your third or even fourth set, but there's different variations of the palm extension. So we did just a regular palm extension and we're going to rotate them all the way. So our next one's gonna be palm extensions, but to the side. So same thing. We wanna work out every single muscle on that forearm. Next, we're gonna wanna bring them down. So you want your fingers facing down. And same thing. Bring your palms up. So with those palm extensions, you're gonna wanna do 3 or 4 sets of 15, and you're gonna feel that burn right here. And our next workout is going to be similar, except we're gonna have our hands inward and we're gonna push from the knuckle. Again, if you wanna feel the burn more, you could add more weight against the wall and you're pushing against your knuckle like this. This next one we're gonna do is pushing off the wall with the fingertip. And again, this is just different variations off the wall. So you're gonna go here, add pressure to it, and then just use your fingertip to push up. The one before was a palm extension, which we're using our palm to push up. Now we're using our fingertips. So those were the fingertip push-ups off the wall. Now we're gonna be doing dead hangs to work on that forearm. So you're gonna wanna jump up and just hang for 10, 15 seconds. As you get better, you may wanna just use one hand instead of 2. Switch it up. Go back to regular. And down. The thing with calisthenics is you want to keep practicing on those muscle groups and those workouts, because that's how you'll get stronger and you'll be able to do those different variations of motion. Again, with forearm, it's probably one of the most overlooked muscle groups that people don't really work out, and that's going to help with being able to do more pull-ups, more deadlifts, just any workout that requires a lot of grip. You may have the strength to do 1 extra or 2 extra deadlifts, but if you don't have the grip to hold the bar, or maybe even do an extra pull-up or 2, but if you don't have the grip to hold yourself, then it's kind of pointless. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit that like and subscribe button and leave some comments down below to see if there's anything else that we could help you guys out with. And until next time.